Good manners show that you value the feeling of others. Here are the 10 manners that your child should know by the age of 10. First one is use the magic words. The easiest way to make your child learn to say thank you, sorry, and please is to make them hear you saying this every day and in a variety of situations. They must say please when they ask for something and thank you when they get something right from a young age. Second one is basic table manners. No matter if it is a big family holiday or your ordinary family meal, they should be able to handle basic table manners. For example, washing hands before meals, not talking with the mouth full of food, clearing dishes from the table, waiting to eat until everyone is served, use utensils properly and chew with your mouth closed. Next one is not to interrupt. It is known fact that children always try to get your attention, but they should not interrupt in the middle of a conversation. Teach them if they want to get someone's attention straight away, they should use the phrase excuse me. Phone etiquette. While you make a phone call, you should introduce yourself first and then ask for the person you are calling. While answering the phone for anyone else, teach them to say, may I know who is calling so I could tell my mother instead of who is this? That sounds very rude. Next one is greeting visitors and say goodbye to them. Always teach your child to greet an adult. It is important to always look in the eyes while having a conversation. They should be able to reply to them politely when whatever they are asking. No comments on someone's physical appearance. It is very rude to comment on someone's physical attributes unless it is to compliment, which is always welcome. They should never say their negative opinions to anyone. If it is not taught to a child early in their life, they might think it is okay to make fun of another person. They should be taught that they should not hurt someone else's feelings or making fun of them. Next one is be empathetic. Teach them what empathy means and how this is treasured quality. Get your child into the habit of helping people, such as holding doors for someone or helping carry a bag. A helping hand ready to assist is always welcome. This also teaches them to be kind towards others. This teaches them compassion, being patient. When going out with parents, a child should learn to be patient instead of running around. When meeting relatives or going to someone's house, they should not be prying around the house or touching things. Next one is ask for permission before taking anything. If a child wants to take something that is not their own, they need to know that asking for permission is the right thing to do. This holds true even if the object is their mom's or dad's. It is also essential to teach them that they need to return whatever they have borrowed and thank the lender for it. Knocking on closed doors. A child needs to be taught that privacy is essential even at home. When a door is closed, it is polite to knock and ask for permission to enter respectfully. It is one of the good manners where Parents need to lead by example and watch as their children pick it up.